Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the C minor composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then, the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. Then, the D sharp major composed of the A sharp, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of D sharp. And eventually, the A sharp major composed of the A sharp, the D, and the F, and either the bass of A sharp or the bass of D. And here's how you're gonna play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play the chord alone, and you repeat the process on the 3 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could move on right now to the verse using the same chord and that same playing method.
I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. And I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound.
You just played this chord twice, and you will need to play 2 additional times the same way in order to complete the verse. And here I have played the last chord with the D bass note, but you can perfectly play the A sharp bass.
You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, you tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say that it's...
And now you reach the chorus of this song, and I'm very happy to announce that you will be able to keep the same chord order and the same playing method.
That it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
As you noticed, the chord order hasn't changed since the beginning, and you could just continue this song playing exactly the same way. But you could also play these chords using arpeggios. Here's a readapted chart, and this time you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 on every single chord.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And with the lyric,
that it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
and then you will move on to the second verse, which you will play with the same chord, and feel free to choose your preferred playing style. And just for the example, I will sing an excerpt from the second verse.
I take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. I need you like a heart needs to beat, but it's nothing new. Yeah, yeah.
And you will play this chord 2 more times in order to finish the second verse. You will then reach the second chorus, keeping the same chord order, and at the very end, you will have a slight change. Let me display the last chord of this song, and let's finish.
I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground.
I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.